We recently redid our bathroom and I went with the 72-inch standalone Rosetta bathtub. It is awesome. I will have to tell you, I went with the 72-inch and the 25 jet package. As you can see, it's got tons of jets on the master side. They have a control with the power, and the actual knob you see closest to the faucet is to control the top two jets for your neck. I love the fact that you can turn those on and off. There are jets down at your legs, and then there's jets on the other side. I like to put my feet on the circle jets, and then the top of my feet actually hit the straight jets. So it's a great way to get a relaxing foot massage as well. There's a second set of controls. Once again, it's the power and the force of the jets. And that is great too, because you don't have to have both sides on at the same time, but you absolutely can. I'm really glad I made the decision to go with this company. Hydro Massage has been amazing to work with. They've answered all my questions and helped my contractor install the bathtub. This has been a great experience, and I hope you make the same decision and you have a great experience like we did.